How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best spicy apps for your Google Chromecast or Amazon Fire Stick device. And the first step you gotta do is get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can actually get Downloader free of charge. Just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app because as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on Downloader and that's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it is not over yet because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll need to go to settings, so click this button with a gear icon, then scroll down until you find My Fire TV. Open it. And here you need to turn on developer options on your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then you need to go to install unknown apps, and from here all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, we open it, and now finally there is the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Serbia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we'll head straight back to the list of apps on your device, and we'll have to locate Downloader in here, open it up, and wait a bit until it loads for you. And now in Downloader, on the left side menu, you gotta click on Home. And now after that, we have to start entering the codes right here in the search bar. So the first code will be 307888. Once again, it's 307888. That's the whole code you have to enter. So enter it as you see and click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot. And now the download of the app finally has started for us. So just wait a bit, then you have to click install and wait a bit until the app gets fully installed on your Firestick. And after it is installed, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as we don't really need them anymore on your device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick does not really have too much of free space available anyway. And now when you go to the list of apps on your device, you will open it up, and here at the bottom you'll find the first app that we have downloaded. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online when using such apps. And so, just like that, we got the first spicy app for your Firestick, but as I said today, we got not one, but a couple of amazing similar apps. So in order to get the second app, we have to go back to downloader, erase the previous code as it is not needed anymore, and now just use another code, which will be 863078. So once again, 863078, that's the second code we use. And now we have entered it, and in a couple of moments the download of the second app will start. So the process is pretty similar as it was with the first application. We just have to wait a bit, and now the download of that second app has finally started for us. So just wait until it is downloaded to your Fire TV stick. After that, just like previously, you have to click install and wait for the app to finish installing on your Android TV stick or Fire TV stick, depending on what kind of device you are using. After that, just like with the first application, you click on done and delete unnecessary files from your Fire TV. And just like that, we installed the second app. And now finally, let's go to the list of applications, open it up, and here at the bottom you'll find the second spicy app for your Firestick. So let's put it up front as well, and now you got 2 amazing apps on your Fire TV. So enjoy the apps and see you next time. Bye bye.